Enemy vessel sighted!
Optimization methods are limited in the SDK when using base game assets. First, you'll want to test your map's performance to see if you benefit from this tool. To test the rough performance you'll get on your map, you should want to check the batches. The more batches you have, the lower performance you'll have. Enter play mode and swap to free mode camera. It is important that your scene is playing when checking the batch count. In the top right of the game window, click the stats tab. A pop-out will show with various information. Most importantly, you'll want to check batches and save by batching. Both of these should ideally not be above 3k at the very most. This is the baseline we aim for with base Holdfast maps. You can check what is performance heavy by disabling certain objects in your scene, then checking how many fewer batches are being sent. Custom LOD object is best used to disable whole groups of assets when at a certain distance from them. Best use case for a tool like this is to disable all props inside buildings when at a certain distance away from that building. Create a new empty object in your scene. While in scene view, fly to where the center of the group of objects are. When selected on your object, press Ctrl, Shift and F. This will align the object to your camera's current perspective. Reset the rotation values in the transform box back to 0. Select all the objects you want to be part of this LOD group and now drag them in as children into the new object that we moved. Now add component. Search custom LOD object, then add the script. For most buildings, range of 50 to 60 and 75 to 90 respectively in the fields is a good enough distance away from them. In the case for the example scene, this means that when the player is 50 meters away from the pivot point of this object, it will be disabled. Set up as many LOD object groups as you want. Once you have set up all of your groups, select the map scene hierarchy object, then click the padlock icon in the top right of the inspector. This will lock the inspector on this object, no matter what other object we select. Now go to the search field and type in T:"custom LOD object, no spaces. This will show us all the objects that have this script with the exact name on it. If you see no search results, you may have misspelt the script in the search box. It must contain the exact letters. Select all the custom LOD objects you have made and drag them into the custom LOD objects reference field in the Holdfast map mod overload script. This script is only functional in game, so you cannot test this in the editor play mode.